I need to put out this news report everyone needs to see. In Bengal, lynching has become a daily affair. Last week, a Muslim woman was stripped and dragged naked on the roads for over a kilometer as punishment. Today, the Lutyens media is covering up another story about how a couple has been flogged in what is being described as instant Sharia justice. So in Bengal today, this lady was Muslim and street Sharia justice is being carried out. Flogging of women is going on. Mamta is quiet because she thinks if she speaks, she will lose the Muslim vote. This is what is happening.
संदेश खाली, कूच बिहार, now उत्तर दिनाजपुर. Watch these visuals from Bengal. A state under a woman chief minister's rule. Days after a woman BJP worker was stripped, dragged, assaulted, a couple has been openly flogged in public. These chilling shots show the couple mercilessly thrashed, all while Mamata's cops stood as silent spectators. The local MLA says they committed adultery. He was quick to defend the assault using a religious argument.
ও সামাজিক কাজে গ্রাম্য সালিসি বৈঠক বসেছিল। গ্রাম্য বৈঠকে যা হয়ে আমাদের এই অনুপাতে একটা বিচার আচার করেছে, কিছুটা রং হয়েছে, আমরাও অস্বীকার করছি না যে রং হয়নি, ভুল হয়েছে কিছুটা, গ্রামবাসী মিলে করেছে। তো ওটাকে নিয়ে আমরা দেখতেছি কি হয়, কিন্তু মেয়েটা তো কোনো কমপ্লেন করতে যায়নি, মেয়েটার স্বামী কোনো কমপ্লেন করতে যায়নি, কোনো জবরদস্তি কিছু হয়নি, সমাজকে খারাপ করছিল, তার জন্য গ্রাম্য সালিশ বসে একটা করেছে।
Uproar over the law and order framework in Bengal is echoing nationally. The BJP has trained its guns at the TMC's Taliban style of quick justice.
उत्तरी दिनाजपुर में ये जो निंदनीय कृत्य हुआ है, इसकी जिम्मेदारी आपकी है और ये मांग हम उठाते हैं कि ममता बनर्जी, क्योंकि गृह मंत्रालय भी आप ही के पास है और कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त हो गई है, आपको इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए.
But the opposition, feminist NGO lobby, the same cohort that rushed to politicize the violence in Manipur.
मणिपुर को आपने सिविल वॉर में डुबा दिया है। मणिपुर को आपने और आपकी योजनाओं ने, आपकी पॉलिटिक्स ने जला दिया है और आज तक हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री मणिपुर नहीं गए।
Has now gone completely silent. Tonight, Republic questions that lobby. Where is the Maa Mati Manush lobby? Where is the Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu coterie? Where is women's rights lobbies? Why the deafening silence?
Sukanya Bhattacharya, why are Muslim women being subjected to Sharia type treatment in Bengal? She's a Muslim woman and flogging is happening. Flogging.
No, not that, not only Muslim women.
All
we are
women.
ashamed. We are Bengalis highlighted now. But it is a most problem. The violence, mob lynching is very much problem.
No, 1 minute.
All
This was
over
what
India.
in this case, Sukanya, 1 minute. Sukanya,
Yes,
in this case, Trinamool leader and MLA says that we want to implement Muslim Rashtra. Muslim Rashtra. And this is the law of Muslim Rashtra. Why? We are not Muslim Rashtra. Are we a Muslim Rashtra? Are we a Muslim Rashtra? But
This type of... Yes.
The Trinamool MLA has
Yes,
said
Arnab.
the Trinamool MLA has said that we had talks of implementing Muslim
Yes.
Rashtra But you never told us that Trinamool people wanted to implement
No,
Muslim
this is
Rashtra.
his opinion. I don't know what is his conversation with you. What is his आगे और पीछे क्या था उनमें? I don't know this, but जो उन्होंने कहा है, what is his version?
but
His
last
version
week-
is
last
not
week-
that.
I just want to say one thing,
But
Arnab.
Okay,
PMS
Sanju,
leaders
very
very
little
little
time
time
Sanju,
for
briefly, then I'll get
not
the others.
supporting
Sanju.
the mob
Yes,
lynching,
please.
not supporting
Okay,
any
Madam, we heard
woman
you.
who is Hindu or Muslim. There is no division. Any woman.
Arnab,
What
can you
is
please
this
ask her
going
to
on?
keep quiet?
It
She's
is
making
very,
zero sense.
very hated. And Mamata
She's
Banerjee, our
speaking
leader,
incoherently and
never
making zero
support
sense. I
this.
need to make my
Police
points.
has taken
Because then
action
you will say
very
something.
fast
We are running
and
out of time.
arrested the accused. This is going very
Okay,
fast.
Madam, we
In
heard you.
other ways, I
Abhi
say,
shant ho jao.
Arnab, there
We heard
is a
you.
very big problem all over
Arnab,
India.
what's your problem?
What is a Gujarat?
Why is this lady continuing to blabber
1 minute,
non-stop?
she's come for the first time on my program. Don't
Yeah,
speak
but
like
that
that.
doesn't mean that, you know, the
Sukanya,
BJP
1 minute.
does not get
Sukanya, you made your point.
It is not
Sukanya, you made your
no
point.
political
I will
leader,
run
no
the pictures
political
full
party,
frame and
no
then go to
political
Sanju.
party.
Viewers, have a look at these
Not the
pictures
Mamata
full frame.
Banerjee. Mamata
You need to
Banerjee
see
never
what's
supported.
happening in Bengal. There's a Muslim woman. This is Sharia justice happening in Bengal today. These are parts of Bengal where the Muslim population is very high. Muslim vote bank is very important. Some Trinamool leaders are talking about Muslim Rashtra, and instant Taliban type justice is going on. Viewers, this picture is not from Iran. It's not from Afghanistan. It is from Bengal. Have a look. Have a look. Yes, please. Sanju.
Thank you. Arnab,
May
let
I?
us be very clear about one
May I?
thing.
Sanju.
What is wrong? You know, this is...
Sanju, please, right now. On the other side, Tausif. Yeah.
Thank you.
Tariq, Tausif. That is Tausif. Thank you.
Oh my God, what is wrong with this
That is
woman?
Tausif.
Arnab, I refuse
Tariq,
to debate like this.
Tariq.
He's a Muslim boy. He's a.
Can you please keep quiet? Can you
Continue,
shut up?
Sanju and Tariq. Thank you. Calm down. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very good.
Arnab, I just have one thing to say. This is a very sensitive issue. And if you say that the BJP is politicizing it, yes, we are politicizing it because it is a political issue too. When Sandesh Khali happened, Mamata Banerjee, Mahua Moitra, the likes of Sagarika Ghosh said, Sandesh Khali is an orchestrated incident and is a wild figment of BJP's wild imagination. Now a TMC goon called Tajimul Haq, who's very close to another TMC MLA called Hamidul Rahman. Tajimul Haq is beating a woman black and blue.
Yeah,
He's flogging her like we see in Middle Eastern countries.
It
And
is happening in
Banerjee,
Bengal.
who's the chief minister, Mamata Banerjee ke muh mein Fevicol lag gaya hai. Mamata Banerjee is also the de facto home minister. I want to ask Mamata Banerjee. You said Sandesh Khali mein hua to hua. Then Howrah and Hooghly mein last year two BJP karyakartas were paraded naked. You said
Tariq Lari.
Now you are saying jo
Tariq Lari.
Dinajpur mein hua to hua. When is this hua
Then
to
what?
hua attitude of Mamata Banerjee going to change? When will perpetrators be brought to book? And when will Mamata Banerjee, for a change, take the moral high ground and resign? Because law and order under Mamata Banerjee's long and incompetent nose has completely crumbled and taken a flying leap out of the window.
Tell me one thing. आप कह रहे हैं, which very Tariq Lari, Indie Alliance has decided to be completely quiet about this. I want to know why. Is it because it's happening in Bengal? Is it because you can't say that in Bengal Muslim women are in danger? Or Muslim women, and not only this, Tariq Lari, I think you know that last week Roshanara Khatun, another woman, was punished and she was stripped. She was paraded naked for over 1 kilometer. अब आप लोग इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें नेशनल लेवल पे कहते हैं, बट व्हाई डोंट यू स्पीक अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन बंगाल सो ओपनली? टॉक अबाउट बंगाल, टॉक अबाउट दीज पिक्चर्स. व्हेन यू सी दीज पिक्चर्स, आपके मन में क्या बात आती है कि इसको जस्टिफाई करूंगा मैं? बीजेपी को क्रिटिसाइज करके किसी तरह से इसको निकलना है इस इशू से, ममता बनर्जी को सपोर्ट करना है. नो कंडेम किया. आई मीन यू वाइट. आपने मणिपुर में पार्लियामेंट को ब्लॉक कर दिया था. आपके बंगाल में रिपीटेडली इंस्टेंसेस हो रहे हैं. हाँ जी,
देखिए, पहली बात है, ये बहुत ही सेंसिटिव इशू है, ये बात फैक्ट है और ये कंडेमेबल है, बिल्कुल घोर निंदनीय है. हम ममता बनर्जी सरकार की निंदा तब करेंगे जब उन्होंने उस पर एक्शन ना लिया होता. एफआईआर दर्ज हो गई, कल्प्रिट जेलों के सलाखों के पीछे है, तो सरकार ने तो अपनी तत्परता दिखाई है एक्शन लेने में और कोई भी इसमें फैसला नहीं होगा, इसमें इंसाफ होगा, कोर्ट के द्वारा इंसाफ किया जाएगा, फैसला नहीं होगा. और संजू प्लीज बी क्वाइट, प्लीज बी क्वाइट संजू।
एसपी ऑफ इस्लाम
संजू प्लीज बी क्वाइट। 2000 लोगों का कत्ल करा के आज तक इस्तीफा नहीं मांगा आप लोगों ने। 2000 लोगों का कत्ल कराने वाले से आज तक इस्तीफा नहीं मांगा आपने। 2000 लोगों का कत्ल करने वालों से इस्तीफा नहीं मांगा आपने। 2000 लोगों का कत्ल करने वालों से इस्तीफा नहीं मांगा आपने। जयपुर में बाइक लगाकर मस्जिद के सामने कहा जा रहा है कत्लेआम किया जाएगा। तो मॉब लिंचिंग जिसमें जो लोगों को मार दिया गया, 3 मुस्लिम लड़कों को मार दिया गया। इसलिए बेकार की बातें ना करिए। बी ए सेंसिबल लेडी। अरे बी ए सेंसिबल लेडी, डोंट बी आउट ऑफ योर सेंसेस। संजू, आई नो यू नीड टू गो टू आगरा। आई नो एवरीवन।
No, don't say things like Agra. What do you mean by that comment?
You need a psychiatric. So please don't prove it. So don't please Sanju prove it that you need a psychiatric. Please be quiet and listen. You were talking, I was not speaking. पहले वो दाढ़ी बाबा से इस्तीफा मांगो 2000 लोगों के कत्ल का। पहले दाढ़ी बाबा से इस्तीफा मांगो 2000 लोगों के कत्ल का, फिर किसी और से इस्तीफा मांगने का मुंह रखना, फिर दिखाना मुंह इस चेहरे पे। इस टीवी पर तब मुंह दिखाओ और मुंह से बात करो जब तुम 2000 लोगों के कातिल का इस्तीफा मांग सको। तो प्लीज बी क्वाइट।
Crumbling law and order.
Please be quiet, Sanju.
Sukanya on the right. Yeah, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9 o'clock now. I'm moving away from that. I must say, or as I run full frame pictures of what has happened in, I think, North Dinajpur, that I have seen these 2 images that have come from Bengal. I'll show these images first. I want to speak over them for 10 seconds, viewers. And I just want you to know that since everyone is in the business of passing quick opinion nowadays, you ask yourself, why does Rahul Gandhi or Mamata Banerjee not talk about this? You know why they don't talk about this? Because the people who are doing this are saying this is Sharia justice. And Rahul Gandhi will not talk about this. He will not speak a word about this, ladies and gentlemen. He won't speak a word about what happened in Kuch Bihar, where a woman was paraded naked and dragged for almost 1 kilometer, ladies and gentlemen. He won't speak about it. You know why? He won't speak about it because he'll think that it will hurt his minority vote bank. So if you cannot speak up on injustice on the basis of whether it will affect your Muslim vote bank, then you're a hypocrite in the first place.